Okay, shall we start it? Everything is good?
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah. So next here, what dependency we will select? Which dependency we will select now, guys? Eureka server dependency. Now,
Eureka
come on.
server.
Now,
Yes,
next,
Ravi.
finish. Where that one? Yeah, this one now. Project in progress, guys. Okay. Maybe how much time it's taking? Net speed is good, but still it's taking why time? People are syncing in the session, guys. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay,
Yes,
that's
Ravi.
good.
Yes, Ravi.
No, the thing is, whatever things I'm explaining, everyone is catching my point. Just like they are sitting in the session.
No, Ravi, I was getting you.
It's catching all.
That's good. Manjulata, that's a good, right? Whenever I'm asking, at least don't feel right. Divya, I'm pointing you also. It's not meaning that you are female, so my priority is more. No, just right. What is that? This is the hesitation, right? Open up yourself, right? Because in industry, it's need open person, right? Open person who can accept everything. Whenever I'm asking, right? Means like see the positivity is coming, like whenever Sudhir is giving yes Ravi, Puspendra is giving the answer yes Ravi, right? Manjulata also unmuting ourselves and giving. If you also write what unmuting yourself and yeah, like this, just start it. Okay, if you don't know English, no problem, right? At least try it, right? Try it. So your hesitation will stop here, right? So talk with us, right? Talk with us. At least what, if you respond it, that's good only, nah, come on. No, don't hesitate, Divya, right? Don't hesitate here, right? Here no one like what. So everyone is there in the same boat only, right? Don't worry, don't bother about that, right? Whatever, like at least yes no, active yourself, right? Even confidence will come once you will sit in interview, or even if you are like there in the meeting, right? Our team, right? You need it every time to talk the people, right? To do the work, all those things, right? So don't feel hesitate. No one superior here, and even no one superior in the earth also, except the God, right? Like
Yes.
yeah, like how whenever you are the small, right, like how you are fighting with your daddies, like that only talk here also. Sachin, what is the interview pattern is mainly focus on core Java, right? After then framework. This is the pattern, right? This is the pattern only.
Okay, but nowadays they are more focusing on the Hibernate, or they directly went to us on Spring Boot and JPA.
Yeah, Spring Boot and microservices JPA, right? Hibernate, why they are asking? Because if you know the Hibernate, then you can work easily in the JPA area. Because of that they are asking, right? Because of that they are asking. And even if the people are saying that Hibernate or any like framework is outdated, no guys. See, so many concept I'm seeing in the microservices, like what in the newer version they are removing, but still in the industry, in the microservices, right, those concept is there only. And those concept are just before 1 or 2 months only been done to remove that. They removed from the like API. In the microservices API they removed, right? But still in industry, right, just see this circuit breaker also, if in the newer version we will not get, right? In the newer version we will not get. But in my project, whatever project is there in my company, in which project I'm working, there we are using the circuit breaker. Just I will next microservices I will develop using the circuit Hystrix like a dependency. Now Hystrix dependency is not there. I need to take what is that Hystrix dependency from the internet, right? I will do that front of you only, right? So the thing is the people are just directly saying that Hibernate is not this is the old technology, right? And they are, and in industry no one is using. In industry, right, what is that? In 100 in the 99% industry is using our DEO layer is there na. Whatever legacy project is there, in that what is that Hibernate only there.
Ravi, I have a doubt.
Hmm.
Like if in a big MNCs like Deloitte or Oracle, can we get the implementation projects, or do we need to work on only support?
See, no implementation sometime implementation project, if when you are getting, right, if you are selecting a small company. If big company is there, means what is that maintenance project, some modification will be
Right.
there, like this only. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so rarely, even if right, if you are getting the what is that good project, right, means what is the scratch level project, means what your in client interview also will not what is that like easiest like what we can say that. Yeah, like sometime whenever we are giving the interview, and what is that we are getting the offer letter, even we don't know, right, what we answered in the interview, right? Sometime like this is happen or not?
Yes, Ravi, lot of time actually.
Yes.
Yeah.
Correct.
But
Because while preparing, we read
so
a lot, and while
yeah.
implementing, we just read that much required.
Yeah, whatever your interview will be good, right? In that interview you are thinking that I will definitely got selection in this company, right? But that company only not selecting you. But where if you are giving the interviews in another company, just if you are assuming that my interview is not goes good, right? But what is that, after some time you are getting the call, hey, you got selection in this congratulations, you are getting the selection in our company, we are releasing your offer letter. Right? Even see, in a friend circle you are saying, hey, I given all answer, but your intention is know that, right, what I given the answer. And whatever he asked a question, I did not given the right answer, but still why he is selecting me, like this question. I'm not saying for everyone, but you know, most of in industry, sometimes these things is happened. When I got selection in Infosys, right? Even I too also don't know what what I given the answer and what he's asking to me, right?
Yeah, same thing happened. with
Uh,
Infosys.
Yes, Ravi, it happens sometimes.
yeah, but in the Deloitte, because my experience got increased na. In the Deloitte, I got right. Near about, you know, 3 round is happened. Every round is 2 hours. Like that, they took the interview.
God.
And Ravi, how much the core contribute in terms
Sorry?
of the interview?
Hmm?
How much the percentage core Java in the questions are contributed into the interview nowadays?
No, when I was given the interview in the Deloitte, right? Yeah, every time I'm taking the name of company, that is the not good, na? Hmm?
Enable Eureka server.
At the rate,
Enable
at
Eureka.
Eureka,
Enable Eureka server.
yeah,
जायचं म्हणलं होतं पण थोडं बाहेर गेलो थोडं गप्पा मारत
enable
बसलोय बुक केली
Eureka server, right?
जाईन संध्याकाळून थोडा.
Enable Eureka server, right? Fine. After then what? In the property,
कसं करत बसलो होतो आपण?
in the property, what we will do it now? In the property,
Server.port.
yes, server dot what? Property. Sorry, support, right? Server dot port. Just what is the default port number?
8761.
8761, right?
61. Yes, Ravi. Register with Eureka.
Okay, why this one is giving the problem? 1 minute. Maven force update. 1 minute here. Yes, server. Server spelling is correct, na?
Yes, Ravi.
But why this one is giving the problem? Let's check it.
Sometimes it do happen. Indexes of that Eclipse is not getting updated.
Yeah. So we need to create one because this project is not like properly created, right? I'm deleting again. We will create again this project.
Mhm.
So file, new, take others, Spring Starter, next. Circuit only na, next. Here what we will do it now, we will select what is that Eureka server dependency, next, finish. Yeah. So here what we will do it now, open the property. Hey, what is this? Which property we are opening? This project, right? Server dot port equal to what is that? 67. What is the
8761.
8761, right?
8761.
Yeah, 8761. Okay. Another one is what? Another one is what now, guys?
Eureka.client. Eureka.client.
Yes,
Register with Eureka.
very good. Eureka dot
Client. Dot.
Eureka dot client.
Register
Dot.
with Eureka. Register
Fetch.
with Eureka.
Yeah, register.
Yeah, we have two properties, no?
Register with what is that?
With Eureka.
With Eureka, right? With Eureka, make this one as what? False, right?
False.
False. Another one is what?
Eureka.client. Not fetch registry.
Client dot what is that? Fetch registry, right?
Fetch registry.
How to remember
Yes,
these
sir.
properties, Ravi?
every time if you do if same property we are using in every, right? What is that? This whenever we are writing Eureka server, right? Same property only. So by default we will remember it. Even if you not remember it, just remember the pattern only, right? Remember the pattern. One time if you did the practical same property only, right? The property is not changing. See this, how Pushpendra is remembered that.
Yes, yes, Ravi.
We
Fetch.
used so many times.
Yeah, fetch registry.
Fetch hyphen list.
Register na, register, fetch register na,
Registry, Ravi.
registry.
Registry.
TR.
Perfect.
Yes.
Make this one as what? False. Make this one as what? False. The Eclipse side is not giving the instruction, because of that we are okay. So on the main method level, what we will do it now, guys? We will add one annotation. What is the
Enable
annotation now?
Eureka server. Enable Eureka server.
Enable Eureka server, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Enable what? Eureka server. Let's check it. Our Eureka server is working perfectly or not. So right click, run as what? Eureka server. Now open the Chrome. Now make the request http://localhost 8761, right? So our Eureka dashboard we are getting, right? We are getting means what? Our application is running as successful, na? Come on, guys.
Yes.
Now
Yes, Ravi.
next what we will do it now? We will develop our what is that? Our what? Microservices application, right? Microservices application with what? Restricts dependency. With what? Restricts dependency. Then we will implement what? Then we will implement our circuit breaker concept in our application, right? So now come here. So another application we will develop our what? Our application we will develop with what is that? Which dependency? Restricts dependency. So I'm taking the name of our project. Let's take what is that? Spring Cloud Payment. Let's take, right? Payment service, right? And in that dependency we need what? In that we need what is that dependency? First dependency we need what is that? Eureka discovery client. We need what is that? Eureka discovery client. Another one we need what? Another we need what is that? Hystrix. Another we need what is HYSTR. What is the spelling here?
HYSTRIX.
CS. Hystrix, right? Hystrix.
Yes.
Another one
Yes,
we
yes.
need what is that? Web. Hystrix. 1 minute. Let's check it now. Oh, yes, right? HYSTRIX.
TERI. HYSTERI. Correct.
Hystrix, right? Hystrix and web dependency. We need what is the Hystrix and what? Web dependency, right? So now what we will do it now, guys? So Hystrix currently whenever we will create one using what is that? Starter, right? Our latest version pom.xml parent project will generate, right? but what is that? Hystrix is there in the older version, right? Older version before 3 months, right? Before 3 months, new version is released. In that version, what is that? Hystrix is not there, right? Hystrix is not there. So just don't think about that. This things is removed from the what industry also. No, in industry this concept is still there, guys. Okay, is still there. Just think about that. Before 3 months only they removed, right? Then how it's possible? How its possibility is there in from the industry also they removed, right? So what we will do it
Yes,
now?
Prabhu.
What we will do it now? Just a normal project we will create, right? Just normal project. What I'm going to do now? File, new, other. Take other, right? So here take the starter project, right? Starter project. So here what we will do it now? Spring Cloud. What we took the name? What we will? Spring Cloud payment service. Now let's take same. Spring Cloud payment service, right? Spring Cloud payment service. I'm taking the name of our what project. So next what I'm doing now? Next here
Is there any alternative now, Ravi?
Sorry?
For Strix?
Hmm?
No, you're saying right, Strix is now removed actually.
Yeah,
So is there any alternative now for the Strix?
alternative still I did not seen that, Sandeep, right? Still I did not seen that. Just don't worry. But if any new concept is there, it not meaning that some abstraction will come, right? This concept internally we
Yeah,
use. Just think about that. Whenever we are learning the discovery clients, right? The clients, how many fin client, discovery client, and what one more client was there? What is that? Another client?
Eureka
Fin
client.
client.
Eureka,
Fin
right?
client.
Fin client, right? Fin client. In that, which client is removed? Fin client, right?
Discovery.
No, discovery client is still
Discovery.
there.
Discovery.
No, discovery client is still there, right? Discovery client is not removed. Which
Load
client?
balancer client.
Yeah, load balancer client is removed, but internally what is that? Our fin client is using load balancer only. Na, come on.
Yes,
Yeah.
Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Same like if any concept is there, means what? Internally this concept will just one line code we will write. Internally implementation is there, guys. Okay. Without this concept, that concept also will not exist. So we will check it, right? We will check it. What is the alternative concept is there? But just don't think, okay, in the newer version they removed, means from the industry also removed. No, in industry still exists, right? It still exists. So now
Yes, sir.
just don't select any dependency here. Next, finish it. Now project is created now. This one only, right? Where that project? Where, yeah, payment service, right? This one now. So open the pom.xml, guys, right? In that project, what we will do it now? Open the pom.xml, right? Open the pom.xml. This pom.xml is there now. Go on the internet. Go on the internet. So then what we will do it now? Search what? Hystrix. Hystrix, right? Hystrix. Hystrix. What we can search it, guys? Yeah, this one's. Let's select this Hystrix. This board is there now. What is the dependency we need? Yeah. So this is the in the tutorial point, right? Spring Boot Hystrix.html is there now. Inside that, just what you need to do, just go down, right? Just go down. This is the pom.xml is there with what is that Hystrix dependency, right? Just what you need to do, copy all dependency, copy all dependency. I will tell. Yeah, I'm copying this and I'm opening our project, right? Our project dependency. Just here what I'm doing now, I'm deleting it and I'm pasting this one. Okay, after then what you need to do, just what, come top right here, what is that com.tutorial is there na, we are taking com.rk na, take it, this one as what, com.rk, right? Here artifact id is what is that, Hystrix is there na. What we are taking now, what we are taking, the Spring Cloud Payment Service project name we are taking, right? So take this one, what is that, Spring Cloud, what is that, payment service, right? And here what is that, project name also take the same only, project name also take the same only. My system is hanging, wait. And a description, make description as what, Spring Cloud Payment. Let's take remove service, right? Now save it. After saving that, what you need to do, just check it, what is the, what dependency I said now guys, which, how many dependency we need, Eureka Discovery Client, Hystrix and web dependency we need na, come on, please respond it guys, because
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
because this dependency we need, right? We need. So, and this dependency will support in what is that, old parent project in the our XML property should be older, then this dependency will what is that support, right? So because of that I copied those dependency from the internet. So after then what is that, just see that Hystrix dependency is there na, come on, Hystrix dependency is there, and what is that, web dependency is there, right?
Yes,
Come
Ravi.
on, but what is that, still
Yes,
which,
Ravi.
still which dependency is not there, Eureka Discovery Client na, come on.
Discovery.
So then what
Yes,
we will,
Ravi.
then what we will do it now, search that dependency also, right? So
Copy from Maven dependency.
yeah, Eureka Discovery Client Maven dependency, right? Maven dependency, and go to central repository, take what, one version, right? Now here what we need to do now, copy that one and come here, and inside that, what is that, inside that dependency, right, paste it here. Just I'm pasting now, right? And here what you need to do now, just remove this version. Otherwise it will take that version only, right? If you removing that, what is that, it will inherit from the parent project, right? This dependency will, whatever version is there for our parent project, that dependency, Control Shift S F. Now next what you need to do, all dependencies came guys. Okay, now right click, select Maven, update the project, select force update and okay. Now but error is came, right? So go inside this test, right? Some unit testing code is came, right? Just delete this one. I'm deleting this one now. I deleted. Now error is gone na? Come on, error is gone or not guys?
Yes, Ravi.
Now our project workspace is ready now guys. Okay, our project workspace is ready now. Let's start our development, right? Let's start our what, development. Okay, good. So here what we will do it now, here we will develop one microservices, right? In that we will take two method. One is what is that, fallback method, one is what, actual logic method, right? So what I'm doing now, I'm taking one class now guys. So here what I'm going to do now, let's take com.rk.rest, right? Rest. So here I'm taking what is that, payment rest controller, right? Payment payment rest controller. Payment rest controller. Now finish. Right? After then come here. So here, how we will make this class as a controller class at the rate rest controller, na guys, come on. People are not responding. Yeah, okay. So after then what? At the rate request mapping. I'm taking what? Request mapping. Inside that, what I'm taking the URI slash payment slash payment, right? After then what? After then we will write one method, right? We will write one method, right? Inside that, what is that? I'm writing one method. What is that? Public string. I'm taking the do payment, right? Do payment. Do payment, right? Do payment. Inside that, what I'm doing now, return. What is that? I'm returning some success message, right? Success message, right? I'm returning what? Some success messages. So here we will make the request as what is that? Get type. Get mapping. I'm using what? Get mapping. Get mapping slash pay. I'm taking the URI as what? Pay now, guys. So here what I'm going to do now, later whenever we will implement as a project in the project, we will do the different way, right guys? Okay, but here what I'm going to do now, for the dummy purpose only, right? For the checking purpose, whatever theory is there, based on the theory, our project, our what is that, practical is going or not, we will do that, right? So we are checking that one only. So what I'm doing now intentionally here, what I'm doing now, I'm writing what? Some